In this video, we're going to be looking at the order of operations. And so here we have a very nasty looking problem where in brackets we have, or in parentheses, we have 2 plus 3, and then we square that, and then we have brackets, and we have to subtract 5, then divide 5, and then add 2 times 10. Okay, well, there's a lot of things going on in there. I mean, we've got parentheses, we've got addition and subtraction, and we've got exponents and division and multiplication, and good Lord, how do we do this? Well, we've come up with an order in which to do these things. And by and large, this order is working from the inside out. So when we're evaluating, which is what this is called, we're just simply going to condense it. Okay, when we're evaluating, we are going to work from the inside of the problem outward. And slowly and surely we will get done. And so there's really only about 4 steps in the order of operations. In the first part, we're going to work with parentheses, brackets, or braces from the inside out. And so you're going to find the innermost set of these things, the ones that are embedded in all of the others. And then you're going to work 2, 3, and 4 on that most inside piece. Then you're going to expand to the next piece, and then you're going to work 2, 3, 4 again. Okay, and so you kind of have to do this each time you move from brackets to braces to parentheses from inside out. After we do that, as we're working through that, we're going to do exponents next. And so once we've cleared all the brackets and parentheses and braces, we're going to work on exponents. Then we're going to work on multiplication and division at the same time, moving from left to right. After all of that is done, addition and subtraction is done from left to right. They are on the same level. A mnemonic device, by the way, is just a kind of a sounding board, if you will, that helps you remember things. And so in this, it's an acronym, but people will use it as a mnemonic device. And so it's parentheses. You have to know parentheses, brackets, and braces all included. But it's please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And what this does is it helps students remember the order in which to do this. Now, the only thing I don't like about this is that it puts, as you notice, it looks like it puts multiplication ahead of division. They're on the same level. And so you do them at the same time. You simply just do them left to right. This is nothing more than just a quick way to remember what order. So please, parentheses, brackets, braces, excuse for exponents, my multiplication, dear division, aunt addition, Sally for subtraction. So let's go ahead and work through this. I mean, this is not going to be that bad. So let's just go ahead and work through this example. We are going to start with the innermost parentheses. Okay, and I'm going to put a step 1 here. And the innermost parentheses in this case is a set of parentheses that have 2 plus 3. So what we're going to do is, now that we found the innermost, we're going to apply rules 2, 3, and 4 to everything inside that set of parentheses. There are no exponents, there is no multiplication or division, but there is addition and subtraction. So we have 2 plus 3. So this is going to give us 5. Once we have done all the things in that set, we can now get rid of those parentheses. So when we rewrite this, that's going to give us 5 squared. Now in this case, I would encourage you to keep these. The reason for it is when we hit negative numbers, having parentheses and not having parentheses will make a difference on our numbers. So I would go ahead and keep them once you've got a single number in them if you're raising them to a power. Then minus 5, and we end the brackets there, divided by 5. Notice I'm just rewriting the whole mess. As you get better, you won't have to. So step 2, we're working now inside these brackets, and these are called brackets. And so we're going to work 2, 3, and 4 inside these brackets. So 2 says exponents. And so I'm going to take 5 squared minus 5. Okay, that 5 squared means 5 times 5, which is 25. Okay, exponents first, we did that. Now multiplication, division, well, we don't have any. Addition and subtraction. We have now, since it's 25, it's really 25 minus 5. That's 20. That number is in brackets. That's this whole set of brackets right here. And so let's rewrite it. So in brackets, we've got 20 divided by 5 plus 2 times 10. Now, you'll notice there's no power here. There's no exponent here. Okay, I'm circling it. It's not 0, by the way. It's just trying to get you to see that there's nothing here. And so we can go ahead and drop these because there's going to be nothing to do with them. Drop them. So it goes 20 divided by 5 plus 10 times 2. And now we just simply run. We have no more brackets left, or parentheses, or braces. So now we just run to the second one. Second is exponents. We don't have any exponents. Third, multiplication and division from left to right. Okay, so we have this. 20 divided by 5 is 4, plus 2 times 10 is 20. And now for step 4 in the final step, we've done the exponents, we've done the multiplication, and now we're time to do addition and subtraction. All we have is addition. So 4 plus 20 is just 24, and you're done. And so we went from all of this, boil down, boil down, boil down, boil down, to 24. I'll do another couple examples on this.